Hi everyone. I'm just here in nature, just sharing to you this really lovely. Look at the sun up there. The air is just so comforting. So look at the sky. It's blue. Yeah. Just one of those random moments in nature. It's just a reminder to find time today to spend. Oh, there's in nature. There's a butterfly, a white butterfly. Spend time in nature today and make the most of the sunny weather. It's the sun up there. The wind is just really nice. Yes, it's this week here in the UK is really sunny, like it's having the heat wave. So the temperature has been about 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. So important just to remind you that if you are experiencing this very hot weather, to keep on hydrating yourself. And yeah, I'm just seeing the bees around here as well. Keep on pollinating in these white plants. I don't know what it's called, but just caught my attention. Okay, just basically sharing to you moments in nature. And also it's a great way to meditate as well. When you're in the heart of nature, it gives you more clarity, it makes you more connect with your higher self and the divine and the angels and your guides as well. So, oh yeah, just to add, I still have this very it's like this. Prior to coming here, I had on my way here, I had seen a lot of police around. It's like they're like running after someone or chasing, and have the ambulance as well. So I think there's just still this energy of, say, urgency in the air. So if you're experiencing that one as well, if you're noticing it, so spend time to meditate on how it relates to your situation. And yeah, so just a reminder that even if yeah, that one we're having like
Allora te le cerco online, ci saranno.
having this like chaotic energy, just to keep grounded and yeah, find time spent in nature. It's really refreshing and with your energy as well, to keep it balanced and grounded, and also to discern your own energy and maintain your own energy, especially with this really weird energies around that's trying to kind of affect as well. That's why it's so important to protect your energy, especially when you're going out. Find time to recharge in nature. Okay, so have a lovely day and thank you for watching. See ya.